Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use Gemini in Google Sheets. In order to do this, first of all, open Google Sheets on your PC. Now, on your Google Sheets, you will see this star icon just at the top right, just to the left of your Gmail icon. So click on this star icon that says Try Gemini. Now you will see this column where it says Unlock AI for everything you do in Google Workspace. So if you want to use Google Gemini in Google Docs, you'll have to simply click on Try at no cost. Now, when you click on Try at no cost, it will open up another page, that is Google Workspace page, where you will get this Gemini plan by clicking on Continue button. So if you click on Continue, you'll be able to upgrade to a Google Workspace plan through which you can use Gemini in Google Sheets. You can also click on Create a new account instead and create a new account for this. Now, an instant note, access to Gemini in Google Sheets is generally not free and is included in a specific Google Workspace and Google AI plan. Now, I will show you how you can get started with Gemini in Sheets. So it will look something like this. If you buy a plan, you'll be able to enter a prompt just in this field. As you can see, it will look something like this. So, the user has said make the delivery type column into drop-downs, and Gemini has instantly turned this column into a drop-down menu. So you can enter your prompt, use Gemini in Google Sheets to automate tasks, to get suggestions, and enhance your workspace. So as you can see, the instruction says at the top right, click Ask Gemini. In the side panel, that is this area, select a suggested prompt or write your own prompt. Now, if you want to learn more about using Gemini in Google Sheets, you'll have to simply come at support.google.com, search for Gemini in Google Sheets, and you'll be able to see the actions that you can do using Google Gemini and their description. So that is the simple way through which you can use Gemini in Google Sheets. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.